everyone. So I am back with my full moon tips and full moon thing today, because the coming April 16th full moon is chitrapoornima or chitrapoornima here down south, Purnima in north, and very powerful Purnima. And in WICCA it is the pink moon, which is again a very powerful moon. So I thought, why not bring I'm sorry, I'm just playing with the cards. I have actually kept your timings and everything ready also. So 16th April, the full moon starts at night, which is 16th April, early morning 2:20, and it goes on till 17th April. So technically 16th, the day 16th April, which is a Saturday, is your full moon. And make your full moon water, and especially those who are joining my dolls and jars workshop, please make more full moon water before I forget, because this full moon water is going to be really powerful, because the pink moon, where the energies of the moon has a tinge of red and pink in it, it works beautifully for speeding spells. Now those who are in spells, I'm telling you all, for speeding spells, for love related spells and all that, it will work beautifully. And for our dolls and jars workshop, which I am bringing in, people who make this water, it will be useful for them to make a holy water, a very powerful water, which will bring in magic in some of the jars. So that's the reason I'm telling you what to do this. Now chitrapoornima. What is chitrapoornima? Very powerful. I have said people do Satyanarayana Puja. People who do once in a year Satyanarayana Puja, this is the day they definitely do the Satyanarayana Puja. And for Krishna Bhagwan also it's very powerful, and actually this time it's falling on Saturday. So those who believe in Hanuman, on today's day, do go to a Hanuman temple and round 9 times and come. And those who cannot go to temple, at least hear the Sankat Mochan, the Hanuman Sankat Mochan and Hanuman Chalisa that day. It will work wonders, because as I said, it's a very powerful day. Now let's see the timings, because I wanted to mention certain timings, as it's very powerful. Evening 4:44. Okay, exactly at 4:44. Now actually what you guys should do is, you should make everything ready beforehand and keep, so that you keep your alarm by 4:40 and you just go sit and you do the ritual. Because many people ask me, Pinky ji, we tend to forget the timing, and should we start making it at 4:44, or should we keep everything ready before 4:44? So keep everything ready before, and at 4:44 start doing this. So at 4:44 you will use a white and a pink candle, and you will apply rose oil in it. What will it do? It will cleanse the energies, it will remove the negativity from your life, it will remove unwanted energies, and it will bring in positivity. So white and pink with rose oil. Now the main part comes at 6:06 p.m. in the evening. I repeat, 6:06 p.m. You will basically take 9 neem leaves. Now I will just give an example. For example, now one main lamp will be here. Now this is the main lamp. Okay, this will be your main lamp, and in front of the main lamp, now not this lamp, the proper diya, the proper lamp which we say of clay, or whatever you use in your home, that will be kept. And in front of that you will keep 9 neem leaves, or a small branch of leaves, but 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like a U. And on top of each neem leaf you will keep one lamp. Okay, so there are totally 10 lamps here. One will be the main lamp. Now in the main lamp, what you will do is, the wick which you are using, the cotton wick, you will apply a dot of kumkum, little kumkum in that, with ghee, and you will you will keep that main lamp. Okay, now in the 9 lamps, each lamp you will put 1 clove, the lung, and 1 black pepper, the kali mirchi. I will repeat, the main lamp will only have ghee with a wick with kumkum. The other 9 will have gingerly oil. Sorry, I forgot to say the sesame oil or the gingerly oil. The other 9 lamps will have that, with 1 clove and 1 black pepper. And that 9 lamps have to be on top of the neem leaves, wherein the main lamp does not need to be on top of the neem leaf. Okay. Now after we put everything, we will burn first the main lamp. Okay. Now the moment you burn the main lamp, you will play the Shri Sukta. SHRI Shri space SUKTAM. Shri Suktam is available in Google. You will play the Shri Suktam. Again, I forgot. See, make some prasad and keep that day. Specifically, if possible, make a kheer, a rice payasam, what we say here down south, or the chawal ki kheer in north. Make that and keep. So first you will burn the main lamp. The moment you finish burning the main lamp has to be burnt at 6:06 p.m. And once you burn it, you play the Shri Suktam, and then you light all the 9 diyas Now what will these 9 diyas do? It will help you from not only the 9 planets, it will see to it that all the elements of the earth you are protected from. No harm comes from all the elements of the earth, which is our 5 elements, and the rest 4 will be from friends, from relatives, from competitors, and from our career oriented people. That is the reason I am putting 9 lamps, not the 9 elements as such. Burn it after it is over. You can discard it wherever you want to discard. That is your 6:06 p.m. Now exactly between 8:45 to 9:15, charge your crystals, make your moon water, charge your tarot cards. I am giving this time for a particular reason, so please follow that time between 8:45 to 9:15 p.m. Charge of everything that you want to charge under the moon. If you want to have a moon bath, put your crystals in front, put your tarot cards in front, put your moon water and just sit there and tell the moon to charge your cards, crystals, your water, and also to charge you. Even in that way it works beautifully. Now at 10:10 p.m, those who have done petition workshop from me can do your petitions. You all know how the petitions is done, but in case you have a doubt, you can always WhatsApp me what petition has to be done. Now for those who are not into the petition class, what you will do is you will take bay leaves. Okay, in one you will write health, in one wealth, in one happiness. If you have the inks which I make, or even which is available in the market, the money ink, you will write for wealth. For relationship, you will use the Dove's blood ink, like that you can do, or a common red ink pen. On the bay leaf, write health, wealth, success, happiness, prosperity, and burn it at 10:10. Write off beforehand and keep, and at 10:10 you should burn it. Now at night 11:11 p.m, burn a plain red candle with jasmine oil. Why jasmine oil? Because for pink moon, jasmine is a very very prominent and a very very powerful herb. So jasmine oil. I don't have jasmine oil, I don't have jasmine herb in the market. Pick up some jasmine flowers, burn the red candle, surround it with jasmine flowers. That will also work beautifully. Now coming to all my coven members, my Wiccan students, and students who are eclectic witches, who are solitary witches, who are practicing on their own, and also if you are a part of any other coven also, it's okay, but you are practicing Wicca right now, then this is actually for you. Now people might ask, if we are going to become Wiccans, can we practice? Yes, you can practice. Basically, why I am specifically saying the term Wiccan here, because Wiccans use a very different name when they call and when they do their rituals. So I said Wiccans. Even a non-Wiccan can do this. At night 11:11 is what you girls or you boys or whoever you all are, because I have also trained men, I have also trained women, so girls or boys or whoever. And as I said, if you are a practicing Wiccan, you can also try this. If you're a solitary witch, you can try this also. At 11:11 you will take a red witch candle, okay, or you will take a red figurine candle, or you will take a plain red candle. Now what I do is I apply my magical oil and my witch oil. Now most of you who have done Wicca under me have these two oils, so you can apply those two oils. But now you are not practicing under me, you will take a combination of rose oil and jasmine oil, because as I said, jasmine is very very important for pink moon. You will apply that, and then those who have done Wicca, they will use their magical names in the candle and burn it. Those who have not done Wicca can just burn it with their names, what they are called outside. Now if you are a solitary witch and if you have given yourself a magical name, then you can use that name and you can burn it, so that you are becoming powerful with name, fame and success. It's very powerful to do that. Now coming to people who are a part of a coven and they want to do something for themselves and also for their coven. Like my students who are watching this video will be doing for all the coven members of their respective covens. I have few covens which I am running, so of their respective covens, you all know who are all the members in your coven family, so you will do it for them. What you will do is you will use the cauldron which you had taken from me, the wand which you had taken from me. Now practicing covens or solitary witches, you all will be having your wands and your cauldrons. So take the cauldron, make a small mix of, now those who have the Hecate statue, please keep the statue also there. I want all my Wicca students who are doing to send me photos, and even non-Wicca students, if you're doing it, send me photos. It will help me in bringing in more powerful rituals for you all in the upcoming full moons and new moons, because for a Wiccan, new moon and full moon is very very important along with their Sabbats. So you have to follow that, right? So now what you will do is you will take a mix of lavender buds, cinnamon powder, thyme, jasmine flowers or jasmine oil, and myrrh, MYRRHH. These 5 you will combine and keep, and in the cauldron you will put your charcoal tablets or camphor, and you will sprinkle this, and you will take one white candle representing each member of your family, and each member here, when I say family, is your coven family, and you will burn that, intending that your coven members are blessed with success, happiness and prosperity this full moon. Even if you're not a Wiccan, you can do this for your family members too. Like for example, I am not a Wiccan yet, but I would like to do this for my family members, that each and every family member of mine has success, happiness. Please go ahead and do it. But you will not be having a cauldron, so you can even use a Havan kund and do this. But this works more beautifully with a cauldron, because the cauldron here is the womb of the triple goddess, and she will help you in manifesting what you desire. So cauldron would be an added advantage, or else I don't like disappointing my other followers and students that we cannot do this. No, it is for anyone and everyone, but all my students will do this also on that day and send me the pics and do it for each and every coven member. So I hope you all have a blessed full moon this time, and do like the video, share the video with your blessed ones, and do comment as to how you liked it, and do you want me to bring in more such videos or more tips on the coming full moons and the new moons, and I shall definitely bring it for you all. But for that, you need to like the video, leave your comments so that I know whether you like it or you don't like it. So God bless you all. Have a blessed Chitrapoornima, and this Chitrapoornima, may all your wishes come true, may all your desires come true, may you live a long life with health, with wealth and all the happiness that you desire. God bless you all, and may the gods and the goddesses always keep their hands on you and keep blessing you. Thank you.